Right, ready? Okay, Neil McEvoy, the Assembly Member for South Wales Central, Shadow Minister for Sport in Wales, with Danielle De Napoli, who plays for
Cardiff Met.
And we want sponsorship. So businesses in the city, in Cardiff, we want this young lady sponsored, we want a kit paid for, her fees. That's what businesses do in the city for all the different players, and so that's what we want to do.
It'd be lovely. It'd be great to get sponsorship, support a local university and just help a aspiring player out, I guess.
Yeah. So how popular is rugby now for young women in Cardiff?
It's massively on the growth. There's a new team that's being set up at the moment. Women's rugby is just growing massively. You get people coming from all sorts of sports, football, netball, anyone can play rugby. For the tiniest person on the pitch to the biggest person on the pitch is really inclusive.
Right, well, so Danielle is going to help me out now more with my scrummaging skills. I might show up to kick a ball over.
Oh, spooned it.
So anyway, just again, can we retake this? Nah. Sponsor Danielle, and let's get money and attention into women's rugby in Cardiff and in Wales. Diolch yn fawr. I got to do that kick again.